Watching everyone around you become parents while you're still waiting for your turn can be painful. You've tried the medicines, consulted the doctors, followed the advice, and still you're waiting for that positive pregnancy test. And you start wondering, will it ever happen for us? If you've been trying to conceive and feel like you've tried everything, take the next step with personalized guidance. Book a consultation with Dr. 𝗟𝘂 𝗏 and the Jylla IVF team to understand what your next step could look like.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hak Jingwadbniah Menteri Ketenaga Arts and Culture Ubasan Borchulai Justice HS Thangkhieu Principal Secretary Ketenaga Arts and Culture Jywadbniah 𝗞𝗶 Officer Ketenat hak kat Praterik Unailar 𝗟𝘂𝘁 Laplat Paidbah yak project Jywadbniah 𝗞𝗶 Ban bishar bnia ag jingedai jong Fertility khasi jantia bakathan Shathie lam mingi jong doba Asia nalo ke Jingpynlait yak research room ha ke Williamson Sangma State Museum Shillong bat ke Jingpynlait ke project document haba jingkran Menteri Rangba ulapan pau bakani ke lenti ban pineso ke menor ke menta bat kalawai haba pensyong nongrem hakikot kisla ke juk sensyar ke sorkar pareng ba ke jing start tenrai baki khasi jantia kila bandai ki bami na Cambodia bat Laos ban wengi ke jing kum ka jingduna ki ke jing penbiang ki jing don kam bat ka jing bamnon ke jing trilang ha puli puthi ke sorkar ke latung ya ke kunhun Jywadbniah bekerpang hapo ka tracing the roots project ban lum bat bu jing tho ke history ka ketian bat Fertility ke bekentuk ru ya ke jing pa ya nyup san ngut ki riu Jywadbniah berkiru Champagne sha Vietnam Cambodia bat Tibet Hakni jingelang Menteri Rangba ulah pelat ru iaka denjat portal ban penlong ya Jingwadbniah ke batrekam ke basyai bat bapen stat ke jingekran ban penduna ke jing penlut bat jing pendan kam ki kot sada haba ulah penpau ru ke jingkermen be kenhun Jywadbniah ki jaka pulia bagi breu ki nasam jing tip ban pleu jingmut ya ke jing sotu ke pateng ba ke jinglong bekerpang ulah benrap ke project ketemu ban kentup ya ki jat benreu ru lom baro ha ke Jylla bat peneso Yaki bynta ke 𝗏𝗶𝗶𝗃 kum ka ketien ke jingtem jingput bat kibai haba ulah kentu isam Jywadbniah bagi kenun bai dan bynta bani trelang nalur kini Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulah pentip ba ke jing perkhat banle ke Jywadbniah kelas sedang naru ke por 𝗞𝗏 Sangma ha ke por ke ba udang im ubala banjur ke jing don kam Jywadbniah ke tenrai jing ki garo bat ban penurlong ya kene ulah penmena ba an seplat ke project Jywadbniah na ke bynta ke rilom garo ha ke siterik unai luar 𝗟𝘂𝘁 kabade ke sngikha jong 𝗞𝗏 Sangma bam kuai dawar ublai ban tengkai bat sumar ke history bat Fertility jong ke Meghalaya na ke bynta ki pateng banwan
a journey into the past, into the collective memory, into the stories preserved by our elders, into our landscape, our stones, our languages, our institutions, our traditions, and ultimately into the question of who are we and where we come from. The title Kidenja, the footprints, captures the spirit of this journey beautifully. Every civilization leaves footprints. Some they preserve in written records, some survive in archaeological remains, some are embedded in language, some are carried in songs, in myths, and in oral traditions. Some are visible in architecture, megaliths, burial practices, and material culture. And some, they survive quietly in the memories of communities. Our task is to follow these footprints, but we must follow them carefully. We are not beginning this project with predetermined answers. We are beginning with questions. Where did the 𝗖cie giant people come from? What were the routes through which our ancestors they had traveled? What language tells us about our deep past? What can archaeology tell us? What can our oral traditions will tell us? What can our megaliths, architecture, and material culture tell us?
So that the DNA study that he has done already is already showing the kind of distinction that the DNA of the 𝗖cie giant tribe that it has is very different, and you cannot find it anywhere in the country. So that's how amazing the research that he has already done is so amazing, and can't imagine when you combine that finding with other aspects of culture and start connecting it with aspects of music, the movement of our people, the different stories that are there, the folklore that is there. I can't really think of even more exciting things that can happen. So for me also it's truly exciting, and obviously similarly for the Garo community, this project will be launched on the 1st of September. Again, why 1st of September? Is because that is the day the birth anniversary of late 𝗞𝗶 𝗷𝗁. So therefore it is most appropriate that we will launch this project in Tura on the 1st of September on his birthday as a dedication to his vision of this particular project. And today with that vision, as I said, is now engulfing and incorporating the entire state. So it's an amazing thing that is happening, and I really look forward to it. And as I said, I do expect that as we move forward, many more exciting things will come out of this. And I do hope that especially the youngsters must start connecting, and that's the reason why we have the portal. We will soon have different social media handles also attached to it, so that we'll allow the youngsters to connect to this research that's happening and be able to contribute in their own way to what they can find. And once this happens, I'll tell you, we'll see a lot of excitement in our people, in our community, because traditionally and historically, our people have always been very patriotic, have been very connected with their identity. And when you make that, give that chance to them to reconnect again and find a way in which they can contribute, you will see a lot of passion coming into this entire movement, is what I expect.